At what point is positive thinking or reframing delusional or dangerous? Can you just talk yourself into accepting circumstances that aren't good for you instead of just changing the circumstances? It's a really good question. So for those of you who are new, I want to make sure that you understand that my recommendation is that you don't keep changing circumstances to try and make yourself happy, because it gives you the false impression that when you change a circumstance that you are somehow changing your emotion. But what's happening is when you change a circumstance, you are simply changing your thought, because you have a new thought about a new circumstance, which that is what's changing your feelings.